Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews and Infinity of Nashua. Today we have actually our, as of right now, only new 2021 Infiniti QX50. This one is actually, no, we do have a bunch of, I just forgot about all the ones in the showroom. This is just our only Luxe. Coming in at $46,315. Finish here majestic white over graphite. But this is absolutely our only Luxe as of right now. And these things move quick. We also have an autograph and an essential in the showroom. That's why I forgot about them, because I was thinking, oh, on the lot, this is our only one. Panoramic sunroof. I just honked the horn. That's pretty sad. All right. Close that. Backup camera. But let's go for a drive. We're in sport mode. Now, 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, variable compression, made it to a CVT transmission. The whole powertrain of this is variable. Is that a good thing? Yes. In this case, yes. I've driven the previous gen QX50. This just the powertrain, the way it delivers power just suits it a lot better. That torque is immediately there. For a sportier driving experience, you have paddles behind the wheel. That will simulate gear shifts, or simulate gear ratios, I should say. Very helpful for descending a hill or having fun on a back road, which for this segment is pretty rare to find, but the QX50 has it, that fun to drive feel. Seriously? Come on. There we go. Alright, even though this is a brand new car, one full throttle acceleration will not hurt. So let's go see what this power had. So that's not bad. Every once in a while I get a comment, oh, this is a brand new car, I wouldn't buy that one. Listen, I've made a whole video about the break-in procedure for a brand new car. One full throttle acceleration here or there will not harm anything. I promise you. It won't void your warranty, it won't do anything. These cars are built so well now that that break-in procedure while I still follow it, you don't have, it's not a Bible. You don't have to follow it to a T like you used to. My rule of thumb is drive the car like normal. Don't go out and drive it like a rental car and beat on it. Just drive it normal, but don't beat on it. Just drive it like normal. That noise you're hearing is the plate. The screws are a bit longer than you can really finger tighten, so it's gonna move around a little bit. It's not gonna fall off, I hope. Even just cruising around, yeah, it's comfortable. I love it. Yeah, this is a good powertrain. That variable compression ratio, that's some kind of sorcery. Although I know how it works, and it's pretty cool. So essentially, they have an arm that adjusts how far the pistons move up and down, therefore changing the compression ratio, tuning it for either fuel economy or performance. So cool. This is the first production engine to have variable compression. So good on you, INFINITI. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.